This is Dixie from A Fool's Journey. I've been getting good feedback on my random affirmations, so here's another one for you. Stay tuned. Howdy, you ready for the random affirmation for today? And I see clearly. And this is funny because this is another one that I've recently pulled. These things are running and runs worse than tarot cards. There's 64 cards in the deck, but I'm getting repeats. I willingly forgive. I breathe love into my vision, and I see with compassion and understanding. My clear insight is reflected in my outer sight. I do find it interesting that the first part of this affirmation about seeing clearly is I willingly forgive. The thing is, if you're upset with somebody, if you're holding grudges in your heart, if you are holding on to anger or pain associated with other people, it's very, very difficult to see clearly because that colors your perceptions. So, if there's any way for you to let go of any kind of old grudges, it might be a good time to do that. Just a thought. Hope that's helpful to you. I hope you have an awesome day. Take care. Peace out from Dixie. Bye-bye. So I'm trying to move around a little bit because I know y'all are really sick of seeing that same background. It's a cool background. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But that's on the condition that you can't give me crap about the state of my room. Okay? You've been warned.